If there is a place in your home that really deserves a little extra attention, it's the kitchen. It's where we cook, gather, and also create memories. But it can also become a hotspot for germs and clutter if we are not careful. So in today's video, I'm sharing 8 simple habits that will help you keep your kitchen clean, organized, and safe without feeling overwhelmed. But before we dive in, if you really love natural cleaning tips, DIY solutions, and want to have a cleaner and healthier home without spending a fortune, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. It really helps the channel and means a lot. So let's get into it. First thing first, take out the rubbish as soon as it is full or it starts to smell. Leaving it in for too long attracts flies, causes bad odors, and can lead to bacteria growth. So make it a habit to check your bin daily, especially if you have thrown away food scraps or meat packaging. Spills happen, but the quicker you deal with them, the better. So wipe out spills immediately, especially on the stovetop or floors. It prevents sticking buildup, stains, and even sleeping hazards. So keep a cloth or paper towels handy while you cook so you can clean as you go. After every meal, give your kitchen a quick reset. Wash the dishes, wipe the counters, and put things back in place. It only takes a few minutes and makes a big difference in how clean your kitchen feels throughout the day. Clutter counters collect crumbs, spills, and bacteria. So clear off your counters regularly and give them a good wipe. Use an all-purpose cleaner or a vinegar water mix to remove food residue and keep surfaces fresh. Your sink does a lot of dirty work, so don't forget it. Scrub your sink at least once a week using baking soda and vinegar, or a gentle cream cleanser like Jif. It helps prevent grime buildup, smells, and even bacteria growth. Sponges can be one of the dirtiest items in your kitchen, so make sure to replace or disinfect them often, every few days if possible. You can microwave a sponge for 1 minute to kill bacteria, or just replace it to be safe. Always use separate cutting boards for raw meat and vegetables. This is the key for food safety and helps avoid cross-contamination. Plastic boards are great for meat, as it doesn't absorb juices from raw meat, which means fewer bacteria can soak into the board. And wood boards are great for vegetables, as they are naturally antibacterial. Also, some woods like maple and walnut have properties that can kill bacteria over time. Just make sure to clean them thoroughly with hot soapy water right after each use. Last but not least, don't forget the floors. Sweep daily and mop at least once a week, especially in high-traffic kitchens. It keeps crumbs, grease, and bacteria off the ground. And to be honest, it just feels great to walk on a clean floor. So that's it, guys. 8 simple habits to keep your kitchen clean, fresh, and organized without feeling overwhelmed. Let me know in the comments which habit are you already using, or one that you are going to start using today. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.